Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to my channel and more importantly, welcome to the first video of my series Learn Hindi through English. Whether you are planning to travel to India, live in India, connect with Hindi speaking friends and family, or simply want to learn a new language, this series is perfect for you. In this series, I'll be teaching you Hindi assuming you are an absolute beginner. I'll provide plenty of examples and exercises to help you practice speaking and listening as we go along. Each lesson will build on the previous one, and by the end of the series, you will feel confident using Hindi in real world situations. The link to the PDF materials of this series is provided in the description below. By downloading them, you not only enhance your learning experience but also support me in creating more valuable content. And remember that your support means a lot to me. Having said that, let us start our first lesson of this series. In this lesson, we will learn to say sentences like these in Hindi. Alright? Now, I in Hindi is मैं. मैं. Okay? मैं is spelled like this in English. M-A-I-N. Now we pronounce this as मैं, 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 मैं. The N must be pronounced with the help of the nose. Even though this is M-A-I-N, it must not be pronounced as main, as in main switch. Okay, it is मैं, मैं. The N must be pronounced with the help of the nose. मैं. Okay, you can pronounce this like May 2, April, May, June, May, but मैं, मैं, मैं. Okay. Am in Hindi is हूँ, हूँ, हूँ. And here too we have to pronounce the N with the help of the nose. हूँ. This is not hoon. This is not hoon. This is हूँ, हूँ, हूँ. Okay? Since you are a beginner, you may find it difficult to pronounce these two. But do not worry. As you progress, it will come naturally to you. So just keep practicing. Alright? So, I is मैं, am is हूँ. In English, we follow subject, verb, object, sentence structure. So, this would be a proper English sentence. I am Ravi. Subject, verb, object. But in Hindi, we follow subject, object, verb, sentence structure. And so, we will have the words in this order. I, Ravi, am. Alright? Now, using these two words, let us translate few English sentences to Hindi. I am Ranjit is मैं रंजित हूँ, मैं रंजित हूँ, मैं is I. Ranjit is the name of the person. Whom is am. Okay. मैं is I. Subject. Ranjit name of the person. Whom is am, which is the be verb. So the verb comes at the end. Okay. Next, I am John is मैं John हूँ, मैं John हूँ, मैं is I. John is the name of the person. Whom is am. Next, I am Shilpa. मैं शिल्पा हूँ, मैं शिल्पा हूँ, मैं is I. Shilpa is the name of the person. Whom is am. Alright? Let us look at few more examples. I am happy. मैं खुश हूँ, मैं खुश हूँ, मैं is I. खुश is happy. हूँ is am. I am sad. मैं दुखी हूँ, मैं दुखी हूँ, मैं is I. दुखी is sad. हूँ is am. I am excited. मैं excited हूँ, मैं excited हूँ. So here we have used the English word itself. Since you are a beginner, you may find it difficult to remember many words in Hindi. So what you can do is use some of the English words in Hindi sentence like this. I am excited. Use the words for I and am in Hindi and then rest of the words in English. Excited. Use it as it is. So मैं excited हूँ, मैं excited हूँ, and this is perfectly fine. And once you start remembering more and more words, you can use the actual word meant for excited in Hindi. Alright? Next. I am here. मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं is I. यहाँ is here. हूँ is am. Okay. I am there. मैं वहाँ हूँ, मैं वहाँ हूँ, वहाँ is there. Alright? Yes. Next. Number one is एक in Hindi. And this is the word that we use for ye and am. Okay? In Hindi, we do not have separate words for articles, ye, an, and the. But for ye and an, we can use the word ek. But ek in reality is number 1 in Hindi. Okay. Now let us use this and translate few sentences to Hindi. If you are a boy and if you want to say I am a boy in Hindi, then you will have to say मैं एक लड़का हूँ. मैं एक लड़का हूँ. मैं is I, एक is a, लड़का is boy, and हूँ is am. Okay. Now, in Hindi, we usually leave the word meant for ye and an and say the sentence. So we omit this and say the sentence like this. मैं लड़का हूँ. मैं लड़का हूँ. Okay? So you can use this. You can say this sentence like this, or you can say it like this. It is left to you. Both are fine. Okay? Generally, we do not use any word for ye, an, and the. Okay? Next, if you are a girl and if you want to say I am a girl in Hindi, then you will have to say मैं एक लड़की हूँ. मैं एक लड़की हूँ. मैं is I, एक is a, लड़की is girl, हूँ is am. Okay? Leaving out the word for ye, the sentence would be मैं लड़की हूँ. मैं लड़की हूँ. Alright? Next. I am a teacher. मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. मैं एक शिक्षक हूँ. मैं is I, एक is a, शिक्षक is the Hindi word for teacher, whom is am. Leaving out the word for ye, the sentence would be मैं शिक्षक हूँ. मैं शिक्षक हूँ. I am an engineer. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. मैं एक इंजीनियर हूँ. Engineer is the English word itself. Leaving out एक, the sentence would be मैं इंजीनियर हूँ. मैं इंजीनियर हूँ. Okay. Next. I am an Indian. मैं एक भारतीय हूँ. मैं एक भारतीय हूँ. मैं is I, एक is an, भारतीय is Indian, हूँ is am. Leaving out एक, the sentence would be मैं भारतीय हूँ. मैं भारतीय हूँ. I am an American in Hindi is मैं एक अमेरिकन हूँ. मैं एक अमेरिकन हूँ. मैं is I, एक is an, American is the English word itself, whom is am. And leaving out एक, the sentence would be मैं अमेरिकन हूँ. मैं अमेरिकन हूँ. Okay? Yes. So the sentence structure that we learned in this video is this. I am and something is मैं something हूँ, मैं something हूँ in Hindi. Okay. Now let us learn one more word, which is and. And in Hindi is और. और. Using and, we can connect two sentences like this. I am Manjunath and I am a teacher. Now this in Hindi is मैं मंजुनाथ हूँ और मैं शिक्षक हूँ. मैं मंजुनाथ हूँ और मैं शिक्षक हूँ. मैं is I, Manjunath is Manjunath, हूँ is am, और is and, मैं is I, शिक्षक is teacher, whom is am. And here I have left out the word for ye. Alright? Yes. So this is it for this video. I have an exercise for you. I want you to translate these three sentences to Hindi so that I can know you better. Alright? So translate these and comment it down below. And also, I would like to know the reason you are learning Hindi. Alright? So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and thank you for watching.